So if I were to go around over here in this blank slide, and then if I were to click on, let's say, text, for example, and add in a text. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say tutor tube right here, just like this. Let us go around, add in a subheading, learning at your convenience right here, just like this. So this is what I have. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my media, and I'm going to go around and bring in this picture right here that I have, just like this. So now what I can do is I can simply go around over here on the right hand side and then click on ideas. And what happens is that it'll take out the contents that I have over here in my design area, and then you can see that it suggests out different designs right here. For example, you can go around and click on this right here, just like this, and this is what you have. As you can see, you got the design just like that. If I were to go around over here and click just like this, then you can see that I got the design right here. And this is based on the contents that I have right here. So without having to go around and manually place everything, you can see that you can use the ideas right here, just like this. You can also go around and click on new idea. And what happens is that you get to the idea generation section, as you can see, just like this as well. Let me just go around over here and close it. And you get back to the design, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can utilize design ideas inside of Microsoft Designer. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe